Okay, so Mike, you had a couple of concerns about the description inside task 2 of the assignment 2. So build a program to detect word similarity in other text, blah 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 blah. Specified input text and reading the file. Now you could take this one of two ways, and I guess ambiguity inside description. Students don't like it, we like it, because it means that you need to think a little bit. But you could type in raw text, or you could be reading from a file. But how do you tell the difference between writing in raw text or reading from a file? And really, to get that magic last 20% above 80% for your assignment, this is the kind of thought process we'd like to see you applying. Mike, show us a solution to that.
Okay, so how do we tell the difference between input text, whether it's a file name being input or whether
it's just the text?
Well, we try to open a file, and if we can't open a file, we're going to get an exception.
Okay.
If we can catch that exception, we can handle it gracefully,
Yeah.
and we can make the choice of this actually.
So we can do it either way, isn't it?
Do it either way.
Yeah.
So let's look at this piece of Python code. Very simple. We create a variable called IP, and we ask the user for an input file name.
Okay, fine.
So the user can give us a textual description of something, or they can give us a
Or
file
they
name.
could point to a file.
So we take the value of that variable and we try to open it as a file. If it is a file, a valid file name with path, right, then the open will be successful and we will go down this route and we will skip this exception.
Okay.
If at this point open fails, it will generate an exception, jump to here,
Yeah.
and go down this route. So we can obviously toggle a variable.
Yeah, and that's where we
Variable.
put the rest of our code if we were just treating it as raw text that was being put in.
Let's
from
give it a try. I'm going to try, this is a text sentence, not a file name. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
We can put that. It's not a file.
It's not a file?
It's not a
Yeah.
file.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
run this program again, and let's actually put a valid file name.
So you know that pylab test.py exists,
Yeah.
yeah?
It is a
It's
file.
a file, so you would read it. So you can do both.
You can
Okay,
do both.
neat little trick. That's the kind of thing that we're trying to get students to work out for themselves, but a little bit of a pointer there, a little bit of help there.